You feel hot?
I'm half baked.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. So as you can see from the title, I am going to be doing a influencer unboxing, but it's kind of not really unboxing because I had to like open the box to kind of, yeah. So if those of you who don't know what Influencer is, this video is not sponsored by the way, but Influencer is an app where you can review all types of products, from beauty products to dog food to baby products to clothes to combs and brushes. You can like review anything on there. It's really good. You can even review flights. Like I've seen travel things on there too. So what they do is you review a certain amount of products, I believe, and every month or every couple weeks when they do their what they call Voxboxes, which is like the box that gets sent out to all the influencers or the top rated influencers. They send out the Voxbox and you get it, and it's like a list of things you have to do once you get the box, which is you pretty much testing out the products. So before I get started with testing out my products, I decided to do a unboxing because I've missed the last couple boxes and I was really excited for this. This one is called the Vacay box. It's pink. It looks like this. It says be loud, be bold, be an influencer. So it comes like this, and I kind of ripped it to get it open for you guys. So when you open it, it looks like this. It has like little packing paper and then the products down here. It comes with a card like this, and it says vacate, like whatever box you have, it says it on the front of the box. It's like this, and then on the back of the card is a description and pricing and name of every product in the box. So one of the things that are not in the box physically that I did receive is a coupon for the Sour Patch Kids soft and chewy candy. So they retail is for Sour Patch Kids candy, fire and freeze flavored. They retail for $1.99, and it says Sour Patch Kids fire and freeze flavors are exciting new mixes that take sour then sweet snacking to a whole new level. Fire is the hottest new thing in the candy aisle. Sour Patch Kids Fire features the classic fruity mix with a surprise hot yet sweet finish. Freeze, everybody's favorite sour than sweet treat, is getting a kick of cool. Sour Patch Kids Freeze features a refreshing lemonade variety mix with an invigorating surge of cool. Oh my god, I have the coupon in my car. And the coupon is for Target, so I'm gonna hit up Target tomorrow and get my Sour Patch. And I believe the coupon gives us a free bag of the candy, which is great because I love candy. So then it's like a whole bunch of other things in here, so I'm just gonna pull it out, show you guys, and then read it off the card what it is and how much it retails for. All right, so the first thing I grabbed are the Kiss Blowout Lash, and they are in the style Page Boy, and they look like this. So it says Kiss Blowout Lash in Page Boy. They retail for $4.49 for a single pack. And it says, now introducing new Kiss Blowout. The next gen wispy utilizes an advanced technology to deliver a naturally wispy looking lash with fuller, bouncier volume and more curl. Designed to flatter every eye shape and lash line. Available in 5 unique wispy shades. Well, styles, I'm sorry. Well, because your girl likes lashes, beat my salon perfect 614s. I have one right now. Your girl likes lashes. I believe I have way too many lashes. But these actually are really cute, so I cannot wait to wear them. I now gotta find somewhere to go and find somewhere to wear them, because listen, lashes to me are like a holy grail. Like, you can kind of take your face from like one thing to another thing. Sorry, that's cool. With lashes, which I think is awesome. So the next thing I pull out is a Invisibobble, the traceless hair ring. It looks like this. And the Invisibobble retails for $7.99. It says the shades are meant to be blush hour, or to be or nude to be, and the shade that I have is meant to be, which is the color again, sorry. Okay, it says, with Invisible Original, it is time to say bye-bye to any annoying knots and tassel braids. The hair ring has a strong grip, great wearing comfort, and can easily be removed from the hair. This is awesome. I have curly hair. I mean, I have short curly hair now, but I have curly hair. So I feel like this ring will be great for like when I just want to throw my hair into like a puff like it is now without the double knotting of a really big hair tie. Hopefully it doesn't tangle because my curls tend to get tangled in a lot of my hair ties all the time, and I don't like that at all. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Eva New York City Clean It Up shampoo. It is a travel size, so it looks like this. It's really small and really pretty. And this retails for $8.99, and it says the shampoo gently cleanses, strengthens, and nourishes hair. Argan Oil feeds hair with vitamins and nutrients, while Caravis delivers optimal anti-breakage benefits and is scientifically proven to dramatically increase strength and flexibility. So this is really good. Hopefully I like it. Now I've been natural for about 4 or 5 years now, so I've been trying like a lot of different shampoos and conditioners that I've come across. So that's travel size, so it'll be good for like when I do go away. Sorry about going in the background. That'll be really good for me. The item I'm pulling out is the Ava NYC 10-in-1 primer. I'm sorry, Main Magic 10-in-1 primer, and it looks like this. This retails for $11.99, and this is a 6-ounce bottle. I'm sorry, and the shampoo was a 16.9-ounce bottle. It says, with 10 benefits in one miracle formula, this hair primer does it all. Detangles, reduces frizz, helps strengthen, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and protects against thermal and UV damage. Argan oil feeds hair with vitamins and nutrients, while sunflower seed oil repairs, nourishes, and protects. So basically, to me, this sounds like a before you blow dry and before you flat iron, like a heat protectant, just like a really small heat protectant. So I'm really excited to try this, and it says it's for all hair types as well as a shampoo. But I don't know if I'm gonna try it on me or like take it to work and try it on my clients. I also received a $3 off any one Eva New York City hair care product, so I'm really excited for that. Now the Eva New York City hair care products can be purchased at Ulta, Sally Beauty, Target, and Riley Rose. This $3 off coupon is good for Ulta. I'm gonna use it right at Ulta. I have an Ulta by my house. I have an Ulta near me and a CVS. So it says Ulta, CVS Pharmacy, Face Values, Francisca's, Anthropology, and Riley Rose. I don't have the other stores, but I do have an Ulta and a CVS by me. And then the last thing that I pulled out is this new Sour Patch Kids Free and Frizz and the little phone wallet thingies that go on the back of your phone. Oops. One of those. And then that's it. The box is empty. That's everything that I've received from Influenster. If you guys want to check Influenster out, I will try my hardest to link. I don't know if I can. I'm gonna link their website in the description box below. I honestly stumbled upon them playing in the apps on my phone one day, and I found that it was like, oh my god, I'm gonna try this out. I tried it out probably, I think I've been on Influencer now for like a year, and I've received tons of boxes. Initially, when you first sign up, I believe you automatically receive a box. So anybody that wants to sign up, you guys are free to sign up. I will link Influencer's website in the description box below. Hopefully I get the next box that's coming out, which is like 3 or 4 boxes coming out. So hopefully I get one of those boxes so I can come back and do another unboxing with you guys. And I hope you guys continue to watch. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sticking it out with me. And I do have a giveaway coming. I am at 87 followers, I believe. So once I hit 100 followers, I will be doing a giveaway, and for every 100 I receive after that, so 200, 300, 400, and so forth and so on. Once I receive 1,000 followers, Oh my god, the giveaway for my 1,000 followers, 1,000 subscribers is sick. But you know, let's get it up there. Hopefully you guys that have been watching me now until when I get my 1,000 and all those big number of subscribers, you guys entered the giveaway. So let's get me to 100 so we can get this first giveaway popping. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you continue to watch. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you share my videos, my page, and my channel with all your friends and have them subscribe as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.